What is up, everybody? Baxter, carwashcountry.com. I want to share a quick DIY way to clean your carpets. You'll need a couple things. One is a multi-purpose cleaner. I like Simple Green. It's just biodegradable. A lot of people use this. It smells pretty good. You can spray this directly on your carpet if you've got some really dirty carpet, but I would not recommend it. What I like to do is cut it down in an empty spray bottle. I put about an ounce in here. This is a 26-ounce bottle. So basically just spray that on your carpets. It should start foaming up, and then you'll want to go back over with an interior detailing brush just to really bring some of that dirt and hair and everything else that's trapped in the carpet fibers to the surface. But it's a really quick way to do it. You just vacuum everything up. If you don't have a brush, you can also use an old microfiber towel to really help to lift some of that stuff out of your carpet. But hope it helps. If you're not a subscriber already, subscribe to the channel and be sure to check out carwashcountry.com for more tips.